Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Thursday, February 25th, 2021. We've been talking about curiosity all week, and I've had Curious George, right here with me all week, and he's gone this morning, and I can't find him, and I'm kind of concerned, but I figure he's probably just out trying to find out about a school and how a school works. So if you find Curious George, can you please let me know so I can bring him back to morning assembly? And then I borrowed him actually from kindergarten, so I need to bring him back to the kindergartners when I find him. So please keep an eye out for George. But first, can you please stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance? Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hey, that was really weird because I'm in my office and I could hear people shouting all kinds of things. You're shouting so loud that you actually shouted through time back to last week, and I heard you. So you said you see Curious George somewhere? I don't know where. He could be under my desk again trying to figure out how that thing works. Oh my goodness, there he is up there. He's trying to figure out how my decorations work. That's interesting. George, it's just a decoration. There's nothing special about it. Come on over here. These guys want to see you. George, we have a more interesting question for them today. You know, when you have a problem in life or you're trying to learn something new, one of the most important things is to find a solution. You actually first have to ask the right questions. We need to train this question part of our brain. And I want you to chat with your class. We're going to do a couple different questions today. But your first one is just be curious, but about something specific. Check this out. Here's my pencil, my Achiever for Life, Achieve Charter School pencil. I want you to think of as many questions as you can about this pencil. You can pause for a moment and then bring me back because I have some more things to tell you. So I hope you thought of some great questions about the pencil, and I hope that some of you dove into questions about why did anybody even make this pencil, right? Did this solve a problem for somebody? What did they do before a pencil? I hope that you were able to ask some good questions, and then what you could do next is you could research and you could find out about this pencil. I'll tell you what I thought about when I thought about the pencil. I thought about this. Why did somebody make this pencil, and how did it help them? And then I looked at it and I saw some clues. And my first clue is that the pencil lead in the middle there, the part that writes, is really soft and kind of breakable, right? But the wood on the outside is really strong. So then I started to realize by asking questions and wondering about it and studying it, I realized, you know what? I think they put the wood on the outside to help keep it strong so the lead doesn't break. And then I thought about this. Whoever was the genius who started putting erasers on the other end, that was awesome, because I've seen some old-fashioned pencils, and colored pencils do this too, but back in the old days, the pencils didn't start with erasers. The stick was just sawed off. Whoever was that genius that was I wonder, is there a faster way of doing this so I don't have to carry my pencil and eraser? That was a smart thinker. Okay, well, I'm going to let you train your brains a little bit more and ask a few more questions. I think we figured out kind of why a pencil was made and how a pencil works. Let's have a little chat with your class about this. And I'm all done for today. I'll just leave this question up there. What kind of questions can you think about these scissors? Let's talk about all the questions you can think about with scissors. Have a great day, Achieve.